In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best two e-commerce platforms, whether you are starting a new business that you want to sell online with, or you maybe have an existing business that you want to start selling your products online with. So let's go ahead and start on Google, and I will type in the first service or platform that I would recommend, which is going to be Squarespace. This is a really nice, versatile platform that you can build any website on, but they also have e-commerce features. And if you go here and look at their templates, as you can see, they have many categories if you are building a website for a variety of businesses that are really great. But they also have here under type, you can click online store and then it will sort them by the online store templates so that you can use some of these and start to build your online store. And I would recommend Squarespace for smaller businesses, or if you don't have a lot of products to sell, or maybe you're selling something like handcrafted products, I would definitely recommend Squarespace. It's very simple, it's pretty easy to use, and it's a pretty great service overall. Now, the second platform that I'm going to recommend for e-commerce is Shopify. This is one you might have heard of. It's very, very popular as of the last 4, 5, 6 years. And this is probably the best e-commerce platform that you can use, in my opinion, for any size business, whether you're a small business just starting or you're wanting to put your existing products online or at any scale as well. There are some absolutely massive e-commerce stores and companies and brands that use Shopify and are hosted by Shopify. So go here to their pricing, you can see they have a few different packages, and they even have one, I'm not sure what's called. Here we go, Shopify Plus. It's even enterprise grade solutions for high volume merchants and large businesses. So they have everything from basic, if you're just starting out, you're a new business and you're just maybe even trying something out, trying a new business, all the way up until this Shopify Plus, which is an enterprise grade solution. So it really gives you a lot of versatility. And I personally have a lot of experience with Shopify, and I think it's definitely the best overall platform that you can use for e-commerce online. They also have a 14-day free trial, same with Squarespace. I forgot to mention they also have a 14-day free trial, so you can go ahead and make your website and decide if you like it or not before you actually pay. And Shopify is the same way. But if we go up here to sell, we can maybe take a look at some of their themes. My opinion, they are a lot better. They have free themes, which are decent, but they do get overused because they are free and there's only maybe 7 to 10 of them or so. But if you do go to the Shopify themes store, you can actually shop for some really amazing themes for all types of businesses or industries. So there's a lot of versatility here as far as if you're a small business, a large business, many different options. If we click home and garden, you can see some of these. They all cost usually about $180, but if it's something you're planning to do long term, of course, and start a business with, $180 is a pretty good price to get a really professional website template that's already pretty much ready to go. You just put all of your own stuff on it. So yeah. To summarize, Squarespace is a really great option if you are a very small scale business that wants to just sell maybe some handcrafted goods or something like that, or just a very small selection of items. They do have some good templates here, but not a whole lot of variety. You are going to run into some limitations here, but again, it's very simple, easy to use, and quick to set up. Now, if you are wanting something more large scale or long term, that's where Shopify is going to be your best friend. Like I said, they have tons of templates you can buy for around $180, $200. Some are cheaper. Of course, you can always hire somebody to custom design a website as well. But they have many, many templates that are, or themes as they call them, that are really good, and a lot of different styles for many different products and themes and everything. So they also have a lot of apps and features and everything that I can also make videos on if anybody has more questions about Shopify and how to use it. But yeah, I think that's about all I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully this helped some people out that were just curious what the best e-commerce platforms are as of today to use. And of course, this is my opinion. Some people use other platforms such as Wix, and there's others out there. But in my experience, I think Shopify is overall the best. But if you are looking for something a little simpler, then maybe Squarespace is all you really need. But thank you all for watching. Subscribe if this helped you and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.